You can zoom a worksheet. All of the above. You cannot link Excel worksheet data to a Word document. With the copy and paste button on the standard toolbar. This type of software is similar to an accountant's worksheet. Spreadsheet, which function will calculate the number of workdays between 06/09/2004 and 08/12/2004. Net workdays. Data marker on a chart are linked to data points in a worksheet. Therefore, you can sense the position of a data marker and automatically sense the data point value in the worksheet. When you group worksheets, option B and C is the correct answer. You can use the format painter multiple times before you turn it off by double clicking the format painter button. The default header for a worksheet is none. To drag a selected range of data to another worksheet in the same workbook, use the CTRL key. When creating a vertical page break, the active cell must be in row 1. To activate the previous cell in a pre-selected range, press none of the above. When the formula bar is activated, you can see all of the above. In a worksheet, you can select option A, option B and option C is the correct answer. When you print preview a worksheet, option A, option B and option C is the correct answer. You can group non-contiguous worksheets with the CTRL key and the mouse. Weight refers to the print density of characters. When you link data maintained in Excel workbook to a Word document, the Word document contains a reference to the original source application. When you see a cell with a red triangle in the top right corner, what does this signify? There is a comment associated with the cell. To hold row and column titles in places so that they do not scroll. When you scroll a worksheet, click the freeze pens command on the window menu. Which of these is a quick way to copy formatting from a selected cell to two other cells on the same worksheet? Click Format Painter on the formatting toolbar twitch, then click in each cell you want to copy the formatting to. To edit data in an embedded Excel worksheet object in a Word document, use the Excel menu bar and toolbars inside the Word application. Status indicators are located on the formula bar. You can open the Scenario Manager dialog box by choosing Scenario from the Space menu. Tool. When working in the Page Break preview, you can all of the above. A data map is helpful to show a geographic distribution of data. Which is the shortcut key to jump to the first slide of the presentation? CTRL plus Home. To select more than one slide in the presentation, CTRL plus click on slide. To place something in the same position on every slide of presentation, automatically insert into Slide Master. To edit an already inserted embedded organization chart object by double click on the organization chart object. Shortcut key to insert a hyperlink in a slide. CTRL plus K. To draw the square box in the slide by selecting rectangle tool. Holding Shift and draw. What is the maximum zoom percentage in Microsoft PowerPoint? $400. Microsoft PowerPoint can insert objects from the following at inch. All of this. Which type of template provides a design concept? Fonts and color scheme for presentation. Design. In normal view, This tab displays the content of each slide. Outline, which is the menu to create a text box on a slide. Insert implies text box, which is not the one or view options provided by PowerPoint to look at and modify presentation. Format slide. In PowerPoint, when the mouse pointer appears as this, it indicates that the draw table feature is on. Pencil, which is the menu command to recolor a picture on a slide. Format implies picture implies recolor. PowerPoint design templates are stored in a file with this extension. .pot. In PowerPoint, this is a container for text or graphics. Text box. This is the menu command used to apply a design template in PowerPoint. Format implies slide design. This text pane shows the design that is currently being used in a presentation. Slide design. The spelling dialog box can be involved by choosing spelling from space menu. Tools. Which key do you press to check spelling? Function number 7.